Hello everybody. Vanakkam, salam, namaste. It's your girl Sanzia and I welcome you all to my channel where today in this episode I'm gonna talk about another super cool career options for all you guys out there. Notice how I didn't say that it is only for youngsters, because for this career, age is absolutely no bar. Anybody can become this particular thing that I'm going to be talking about today. And this is none other than VJ, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be talking about VJing. In particular, I'm going to be talking about TV hosts, TV presenters, and what are the types of them. So let us dive right into it. First of all, one of the most important things to understand is what are TV presenters. Now, anything and everything that I've told you in the emceeing segment, it is all the same. Just copy paste it all to VJing as well. The only difference is that MCs are hosting live events. They're hosting thousands of people by being on the stage. And for TV presenters, it is pretty much the only difference. Otherwise, it is almost everything that an MC does. You're hosting a show, you are introducing the next music or the next song, you're interviewing celebrities and various other things, but you're doing it on camera. Now, you must be wondering that anybody who is an MC can become a TV presenter. Well, for TV host, it is very important to have the perfect screen presence. You need to have that oomph factor and you need to be absolutely camera friendly to be a successful VJ or someone who's a reporter. Talking about the reporters, that brings me to the categorization of TV hosts. Now, there are various types of TV presenters, and if you think about it, there are mainly 2 points that distinguishes in between these types of TV presenters. One is subject, meaning the type of shows that you're going to host, what you're going to talk about. And the second point is audience, what kind of audience you're catering to. Say, for example, news. Somebody who watches news would want a reporter or would want the TV host or the TV presenter to be a solemn person, someone who's a little serious and talks mostly about facts. And that coming from somebody who is a little, jovial, jumpy, people might not take them seriously. So for a reporter or for a news anchor or somebody who is delivering a serious kind of program, you need to have a serious personality. Talking about other categories, there's children presenters who host only children-based shows and do it in such a way that children are basically able to relate to them the most and they are able to understand them. One of the examples that I would like to give you here is Steve Harvey. I think he's an amazing host with children. And of course, Ellen DeGeneres. She is just a great host any which way. Another one such category is sports presenters, for which you need to have a thorough understanding of sports. Say, for example, if you don't know anything about cricket, you can't just go out there and start talking about cricket. If you don't know the names of any players, you can't just go and start interviewing one of them. It'll just mess it all up. So that is why knowledge of the subject is absolutely important. So for you to get into this industry, if you are really particular, you need to find your niche. You need to find out what excites you and what you enjoy the most, and only then you will be able to reach out to a crowd. To understand what kind of TV host you want to become, it's not a very difficult thing, because you will eventually be able to present a particular subject or a particular show only when you enjoy it yourself. So when you do your research, watch these shows which you love the most and the one that you want to pursue further, how the anchors are hosting their shows. And before I go ahead with this, let me tell you one more thing, that it is very important for a VJ to have their own unique style. You cannot copy someone. Even if you do, I don't think you will be able to give your 100%. So watch these programs, notice how these anchors are hosting the show and why, what is it that is holding your attention as a viewer. Implement those things when you're practicing for being a VJ or being a TV host for that particular show. So that's that, ladies and gentlemen. Today in this episode, I spoke about what are the different types of TV hosts, TV presenters, and how you can find your niche. So for all you guys to get a thorough understanding as to what a VJ is, watch this episode. Like I said, it's pretty much the same thing as to being an MC, except an MC is doing it live in front of so many people and a VJ is hosting shows in front of the camera, unless of course you're doing a live show as well. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, because in the next video I'm going to be bringing you how to become a VJ and what skill sets that you must have to become one. So start practicing right away. Make this lockdown a learning lockdown, develop your skills, and as soon as this is lifted, there are so many channels that are going to beg you to come join them. And if you have the skills, if you have the experience, then you will always be in demand. So make sure that you keep practicing and keep hosting and keep learning and keep watching my channel. There are so many videos coming up. Until then, this is your host Sandhya saying bye bye. Take care.